In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add video in Google Docs. I would say this is going to be similar if you would be embedding it, but there is actually no feature that allows you to embed video in Google Docs. So this is the only way what you can do. So I'm going to create a blank document. Now on the new window, I'm going to open Google Drive. Now you want to click on new file upload, and you want to basically upload the video from your computer. So I have this video over here. I'm going to upload it. After this video is uploaded, what you can do, you can select it, right click, you can click on share, then from here click on share again, and here you're gonna choose anyone with the link has access to the video. So then click on done. Then you can go again to share, copy the link of the video. After that you can go back to your Google Docs and you can simply paste the link. So this is the link of the video. If you hover your mouse on it, it's going to show you a preview. And if you want to open this, you can just double click on it. And now the trick is, if you want to make this looks like it's embedded, but it's actually not embedded, what you can do, you can take screenshot. So I can like screenshot this video. I'm gonna paste that into Google Docs. Now I'm gonna just drag my image from my desktop, which I took. I'm gonna place it over here. Now you can select the image, right click, and click on insert link. And you want to paste the link from the Google Drive, click on apply. Now, if someone clicks on this, you can see it's going to show him this preview and he can open this video. So this is only way how you can add video in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.